Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we are doing a question where we need to find out the value of this thing 1000 square minus 999 square minus 998 square plus 997 square, and we cannot use calculator. Okay, calculator is not allowed here. So how should we proceed in these types of questions? Then we start always with observing the question. If you observe it, if you see the difference between 1999, it is 1, right? Here as well difference is 1, here as well difference is 1, right? But we need to do something so that we can take the advantage of this difference, right? Now we know one identity that says a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, right? So this a minus b will become 1, right? If I write this as 1000 square minus 999 square, I keep this in one bracket, and then from last two terms here I take minus common, and then I write 998 square minus 997 square, right? So if you see, this is a, this is b, it will become a plus b, so that means 1000 plus 999, and it will become a minus b, right? 1000 minus 999 minus, if we see this is a, this is b, so this will become 998 plus 997, and this will become 998 minus 997, right? So if you add them you will get 991,999, and this will become 1, minus, if you add them what will you get? This will become 1, right? Here what will you get if you add them? 5, 9 and 9, right? So what is the difference? Difference is 4, and this is our answer. So it was so easy if you use these types of identities. I hope you liked it. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like maths riddles, you can visit me on Instagram and Facebook. Follow me there and then try to solve those riddles. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.